Hello and welcome to UDISE Plus. In today's video, we will learn about KYS, which stands for Know Your School. First, open your browser and visit the website kys.udisplus.gov.in. Here, you can search for a school in a multiple ways by entering any keywords related to the school, by selecting the state and typing the school name, by entering the UDISE code, or by searching using the PIN code. In the advanced search option, you can search by selecting the state first, then the district, which is mandatory, followed by block, cluster and category management. After selecting this, click on the search button to see the result. For example, if you choose search by PIN code, just enter the PIN code, type the CAPTCHA and click on the search button. The list of school will appear on your screen. In the search result, you will find a list of school. On the left side panel, you can also filter the result by school category, management and school type. From this list, find your concerned school and click on the report card button. Here, you can view detailed information such as school profile details, infra and other facilities, teacher information, enrollment by RTE and EWS and social category, minority details, enrollment by grade in the current year. Next, here also a download button which you can click to download the school details. Now, next click on the back button and click on the no more button to see the additional details about the school, including basic details, student enrollment and teacher information and more, such as infrastructure and facilities available. If you click on the track school button, you can view the school histories in a timeline view or switch to the list view if you prefer. That's all about the Know Your School KYS feature in UDISE Plus. Stay tuned with us for more informative videos. Thank you.